I am also a graduate of theater arts. One thing that I hope for in the theater scene right now is for it to be more integrated in schools and in other communities. Because thankful kasi nasa NCR, so very accessible ng theater dito. Pero sa mga provinces, people who don't have television or do not have internet, wala silang alam na theater arts exists. And they're completely missing out on the lessons na pwedeng matutunan nila sa mga shows, sa mga plays na if you think about it, it's more, mas masarap siyang panoorin mas masarap panoorin yung kapag nakikita mo yung performer on stage na nagpa-perform rather than the videos. So yun lang yung hopeful ako na sana soon ma-integration ng government, malagay din siya sa mga different provinces, ma-integrate siya sa mga schools kasi admittedly, growing up, hindi siya looked down upon ang theater and music. Hindi po siya masyadong pinapahalagahan kasi may stereotype na Filipino basketball, Filipino sports, dapat paglaki mo engineer ka, ganyan. Look down upon yung arts, and it's something na hopeful na this Ephesus and the other companies would somehow shed a light on.